Welcome to Journey for Learning. Today, we're going on an exciting science adventure to explore the scientific method. This is the secret tool scientists use to solve mysteries and discover new facts. What is the scientific method? Scientific method, a systematic and logical approach used by scientists. Scientific method helps investigate phenomena, acquire new knowledge, or correct previous knowledge. Scientific method, step-by-step process for objective and reliable results. Steps of the scientific method: observation, question, hypothesis, experiment, data collection and analysis, conclusion, communication, report. First is observation, careful monitoring and recording of phenomena. Example: plants grow faster in sunlight than in shade. Second is question, ask about the observed phenomenon. Example: does sunlight affect plant growth? Third is hypothesis, an educated guess that can be tested. Example: if a plant receives more sunlight, it will grow faster. Fourth is experiment, test the hypothesis under controlled conditions. Example: two plants, one in sunlight, one in shade, measure drought. Fifth is data collection and analysis, record observations during the experiment. Analyze patterns and compare results. Example: measure plant height daily. Sixth is conclusion, determine if the hypothesis is supported or rejected. Example: sunlight plant grows taller, right pointing arrow, sunlight affects growth. Seventh is communication, report. Share results through reports, presentations, or publications. Let's summarize the scientific method. A simple, powerful process that helps us understand the world with clarity and accuracy. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Journey for Learning for more clear and easy science videos.